Do you have an American Standard Vormax toilet that's over 3 years old and leaking? What you'll find is it just kind of flushes a little bit on its own every hour or so like that, and it's because the flapper is leaking. So let me show you how to replace that. Get the lid off. And the Vormax is that special one that's got the two big flappers on there. So the first thing we need to do is turn off the water. And then we'll flush just to get all the water out. Okay. And the next part is we just lift up on the tabs on the back here. Pull up and it snaps off. You have to use a bit of force. And that one's off. And then let me take this one off. Oh, that one's a little bit hard to get to there. And there. Now we have them loose. So the next thing we need to do is take off the existing ones, but of course you would have to buy the new ones, and they are a Home Depot part. Let me go do that, get that. Okay, here's the part you need to replace it with, which is 738-1424-100-0070A. What I did is I had registered this toilet when I bought it with the receipt. And then I just contacted American Standard through their website, and they sent me out the new ones. So, okay. Let's go and let's take off. Let's see if I can move the camera here. Just pull this off. Pull each one of these off. Pull that off. Just pull it out, pull it out. Now when you put the new one on, if you look at the old one, it's kind of curved a little bit too, so that's probably why it's not sealing there. So it keeps leaking through the flapper and then causes the toilet to run. So the big one goes through the big hole, and sometimes it's a little bit hard to do. There we go. Second one, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, that one is done. Now I go on and let me do the second one. You take this off. And you can see this one is really badly curved. I think this one was the problem. Put the new one in, snap. And make sure they go all the way through. It's much easier when you pop these things off to get them out where you can look at them and view them. There we go. And then we need to put these back. I'll make sure we didn't tangle this up, and just go and put them over the plastic parts there and then push down to snap them in place. There we go. Make sure I didn't twist this one around. Okay, that looks good. There we go. That looks good. Now let's turn the water back on. And that should solve the problem. No more leaky toilet. Hope you enjoyed this video and it helps.